Foods to improve gut health. First and foremost, any kind of raw dairy, especially goat's milk, goat yogurt. If you can find raw cow's milk and raw cow yogurt and you test it and it is good for you, that is another excellent material to put through the body to rebuild the gut. Also, colostrum, if you can get your hands on that as well. Garlic is excellent to keep the gut microbiome in balance, kills the bad critters, as well as provides an environment for the good bacteria to proliferate. Also, green juice is an excellent way to calm the stomach and nutrify the body. Radishes are excellent, and any kind of farmer direct, grass-fed meats and organs. And test everything to make sure it's good for your body. You'll know if you get a sour stomach or a food hangover or you get bloated if it is good or bad for you, especially when it comes to processed foods, gluten, and pasteurized dairy. You want to eliminate those things for at least 60 days to test your gut. And then, of course, sugar is a major offender. I know there's a lot of sugar out there. I'm not so much that guy as a chemical. I think the chemicals and the food stuffs that they put in there, the food additives, the fillers, the binders, the artificial coloring, the artificial flavoring, and especially the artificial sweeteners can all affect the gut microbiome. So pay very close attention to that, as well as your coffee and your caffeine usage, because this can throw off the gut as well. You'd be very surprised what you can do if you get off coffee, if you've been on it for a while, and how your stomach will feel. I personally go on and off caffeine to test myself and to optimize my hormones and to optimize my digestion. And so currently I'm 10 days into off caffeine, and there's still a detox going on in my body. So I would say if you're going to go off caffeine, do that for 30 days and test that. And remember, the toilet bowl, the mirror, and also your sleep quality doesn't lie. So it's easy to pay attention to what's working and what's not working. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comment box below.